So, can you tell me what happened? You know I have all night. We could do this on and on and on. Or else you want to go through the forensic? Do you know what your punishment is going to be if you're not providing me precise detail of what happened?考试考察？what's the question? 考考没考试啥？考了考察？我读书啊，考察？哈哈哈。考試もた。かかること。Bye. So, continue on. As I said, are you going to provide me all the details of what you did and what you see, what happened, exact the time and where? It must not have been easy.